Hello friends, today I'm showing you how to clean your brushes, makeup brushes. I'm using PAC. Take a tissue and spray it on your brush, just 1 or 2 strokes, and rub it on tissue, and you can see the color of foundation is coming out. You can repeat it if it's necessary. I'm repeating it twice or thrice to clean my brush properly. This you have to use once or twice a week, or I am using it every makeup class or every makeup. Thank you for watching my channel, and do subscribe me for having this different useful tips.